All aboard the Fun Express, understanding party bus. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fun and festive term that you might have heard bouncing around in travel or event planning conversations: party bus. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore what this phrase really means, its uses, and how you can use it in your English conversations. Imagine a vehicle that combines the adventure of travel with the excitement of a party. That's exactly what a party bus is, a large motor vehicle that has been designed or modified to carry more than a dozen people for recreational purposes. Think of it as a nightclub on wheels, complete with music, lights, and often even a dance floor. The main purpose of a party bus is to provide a mobile venue for celebrations, allowing guests to continue partying while moving from place to place. The concept of the party bus is relatively modern, originating from the desire to keep the party going while en route to a destination. It has become a popular mode of transportation for a variety of festive occasions, such as weddings, proms, bachelorette parties, and birthday celebrations. It offers a way to travel together and add an extra layer of fun to the event. Using party bus in a sentence is quite straightforward. It can be used as a noun, often as the subject or the object of a sentence. Here are some examples. We rented a party bus for our graduation celebration, and it was a blast. The party bus will pick us up at 8 p.m. sharp, so don't be late. They had a DJ on the party bus, making it an unforgettable night. Notice how the phrase easily fits into various sentence structures and how it conveys not just a means of transportation, but also the lively atmosphere associated with it. While party bus is quite descriptive on its own, there are other terms that might be used in similar contexts. Phrases like limo bus, luxury coach, or entertainment bus might also be encountered, although they can imply different levels of luxury and may not always be equipped for a full-fledged party. That wraps up our journey through the ins and outs of the phrase party bus. Next time you hear someone talking about renting one, you'll know exactly what they're planning: a moving celebration with music and merriment. We hope this video has been enlightening and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary toolkit. Keep the learning party going, and until next time, happy studying.